Volcano looks amazing, Amelia. What colour is that?
Green, but we're gonna change it to grey.
Maybe a bit of brown, do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. And how do you make the green? What colour do you use to get the green?
Yellow and blue.
Oh, very good. That's a wonderful green colour. How is that wonderful volcano coming along?
I'm gonna put blue into the river. That's here.
Yeah, okay. I like your range of greens. They look very, very good.
You want to see it?
No, you can leave it there. I can see that from here. I don't want you to spill it. That looks really, really good.
Now what's...
So just remind me, how do you make blue? Sorry, how do you make green when you haven't got a green